Hey YouTube, welcome back. I have another cigar product for you. This humidor was sent to me to actually check out and see what I think about it. And so here it is, guys. I'm going to bring it to you so you can actually take a look at this. And this is the wow factor here because I love a good humidor, especially one that's made of wood. So let's look at the inside of this thing right here. So this is the humidor from the inside. As you can see, it's got plenty of room to store your cigars. It even comes with the little humidifier. This is what you actually saturate with your distilled water and glycerin. You can see it right there. This goes on the inside. This is what's going to regulate the humidity inside of your humidor. And you see right here, that's a little divider that is put in here, and this divider can be moved around to different locations. It pops right out. So like if you've got some different style cigars or something, you can separate them, or you can do what I do in most cases is I put my humidifier over on one of the sides, and then I usually just take this and bump it up against it like that to hold it in place, and it keeps it separated from my cigars. Now this particular humidifier, the humidity gauge, you can pop out if you need to clean it or something, or if you don't like it in like a certain position on here, you want it to be in another position. I've got mine set, my hydrometer right here, set to where whenever I walk up to the humidor, it's facing me and I can see it as it sits. Now this box has a cedar lining, so it's a cedar box. This thing smells wonderful. I mean, if you've worked with cedar as a woodworker, you know what I'm talking about. Over here on this side and on this side, you'll notice these little hinges right here that actually keep everything in place. They've got these little hinge arms, stainless steel hinges here. Works beautifully, and when you close it, it seals right up, and it's going to keep the humidity at the level that you need for your cigars. Right now I haven't done anything to this humidifier, and it's already at about 52% humidity in here, so it's almost perfect right now for my cigars. I could put probably a good 12 to 15 cigars in this little box and get that humidity up just right, and it would be perfect. Bottom of the box has a felt lining on it. Look at this, man. This is just a really good craftsmanship on this. So guys, if you like what you're seeing here, there is a coupon code in the description. There's also a link so you can actually go and pick up one of these. You know what? If you want to see more products like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Tell me what you think about these humidors and these lighters and these cutters that I've been displaying for you. Personally, I like a good wood humidor, man. This thing is beautiful. I love it. So yeah, there we go, guys.